guys, welcome back to Gardening with Creations by DX. I'm sure some of you have seen the picture on the internet of the all-natural weed killer. And we today are going to test the theory and do a little Mythbusters experiment again. We're going to take the ingredients, do a smaller version of them, mix them up, put them on some of our weeds, and then we'll see how it does in about 2 to 3 days. Stay tuned. This is what we are putting in. We are not doing the original because we didn't have a large enough container, so we've actually taken it down to 4 cups of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of the Dawn, and 4 tablespoons of Epsom salt. And we are reusing a kitty litter container. We love doing this for even just using as a watering can in our garden because number one, you're reusing and recycling, so that's always great. And number two, they actually really work really well. Even our kids can use it a little bit easier because the handle is a little bit bigger for them to put their hand in and smaller for them to grasp onto the bottom to be able to lift it. So that's what we're going to use. We have an area that we're going to just test it on. As you can see all the way down, we have a ton of weeds, but we're just going to test it in one small area right here in front just to see if it works. So we're going to spray it today, and then we will come back tomorrow, take a look at it, and then give it another day, take a look at it to see if it works and progresses, and we'll go from there. Okay, so we were going to do a 24-hour later video here for our natural weed killer, but as you can see, it's only been 2 to 3 hours and these weeds are already dying off, guys. That is how awesome this stuff works. So we are going to give it a full 24 hours and come back tomorrow and we'll show you again what it looks like and to see how easy it is to pull it. And if it works, then I will for sure be using it on our entire garden. It's also pet safe, which is awesome because we have dogs back here, so that helps us out. So see you guys tomorrow. All right, so here is our 24-hour later picture here. It has been raining since midnight all the way through today, and as we all know, the weeds absolutely love the rain. But 24 hours later, as you can see, just by spraying it the one time, we didn't respray, we didn't add anything to it, these are all dying off. So it's gonna rain the rest of the day. We're gonna let this go for one more day, not respraying, just letting it be, and tomorrow it's supposed to be sunshine, so we are actually going to try pulling these to see how dead at the root they get from just a spray on top here. And as you can see, here's other weeds that we did not spray. Bright green and beautiful here. And then you can tell exactly where we started spraying. So just for reference, that's all the way around the area that we did not spray. And then this is the area we did. All right, so stay tuned. We'll do one more tomorrow and wrap this up and go from there. So here we are. It's been a full 48 hours since we sprayed. So obviously we already know that it killed the top part of the weed. Now I want to see how easy it is to actually pull and if it kills down to the root. So again, we just sprayed the top as a topical, so we didn't spray necessarily into the root. So here we go. Alright, so as you can see, it is taking some work to get this out. I'll probably need a shovel. So I'm guessing if you actually got all the way down into the root, it would kill it at the root. We did not do that. We were just testing it as a topical. But it does not make it easier to pull. So I'm guessing you have to kill the root itself. So there you have it, guys. It's definitely not easier to pull, but it does kill the weed. So Mythbusters natural does actually work. We will definitely be using it. I'll be spraying it deeper into the root next time to see if we can kill the root all the way down. But it works. So there you have it. Thanks for joining us. If you like this video, hit the like, share it out, hit the notification bell. We'll be doing a lot more of gardening tips, different flowers as well on this channel, so make sure you hit the notification so you don't miss anything and subscribe. As always guys, I hope you're staying safe and enjoying your gardens.